welcome to Cooking with Gemma. This week we're going to be making cheese and onion pasties. So step one, I need to preheat the oven to 200 degrees fan. So for this recipe, you're going to need some puff pastry. Ready rolls the easiest. You'll need some cheddar cheese. If you've not bought grated, you'll have to grate it. Some Emmental cheese. Some caramelised onion chutney. You'll need an egg. Then the equipment you'll need some weighing scales. You'll need a baking tray. I've greased mine and put some baking paper on. You'll need a chopping board. You're going to need a knife and a jug or a mug to whisk your egg in and a fork to whisk the egg, to beat it. You'll also need some little containers or jars to measure your ingredients into. And some time. Right, step two, you're going to get your pastry roll out of the container. It looks like this when you get it out. Don't forget to put your cardboard in the recycling box. Then you're going to unroll your puff pastry sheet. I've already washed my hands. We have to make sure the pastry's at room temperature, otherwise it can crack. Okay, now I'm just going to put my Emmental cheese on my pastry. I think I'm going to get 3 pasties out of this, so then I can cut in a straight line down each one. Okay, step 3, I need to weigh out 20 grams of cheddar. Oh, that's a bit much. 22. Oi! No eating it. We have to wait until it's cooked. 20. There we go. Okay, now I need to weigh out for step 4 25 grams of onion chutney. Oh, that's a bit too much. 26. There we go. That's near enough. Okay, step 5. I need to crack the egg into a jug or mug or container. Then I'm going to whisk the egg with a fork until it's beaten. Okay, for step 6, I need to get my pastry brush and dip it in the beaten egg. Then I'm going to use this pastry brush just to paint some beaten egg down the outside outside edge of the pasty. There you go. Just carefully down the outside. There. And then a bit down this edge as well. It makes it easier to seal it at the end.
Hello. 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 Hello.
Step 7, I'm going to get some of my onion chutney that I've already weighed out, and I'm going to put that on top of my slice of emmental. There we go. And then I'm just going to use the spoon, the back of the spoon, to spread the onion chutney out, just so there's a nice even amount of flavour. And then you're going to sprinkle the 20 grams of cheddar that you've already measured out on top of the onion chutney. Try and sprinkle it as evenly as you can. You don't want just one big clump in the middle, you want it nicely spread out. Right, step 8, you need some, I've got some thyme here. I'm just going to pull the leaves off the stalk, and then I'm just going to sprinkle some thyme leaves inside the pasty. Then I'm going to get the pastry on the edge, and I'm going to fold it up and over, and then I'm going to press down the edges where I've put the egg wash. I'm just going to move this up a bit, and I'm going to use a fork actually, just to press down those edges a little bit more. Press them together. There we go, that's sealing it together a bit better. And then once I've sealed my pasty, I'm going to use some egg wash on the pastry brush, beat an egg, just to completely cover my pasty. Then I'm going to use the knife, and I'm going to cut 2 slits in the top. 1, 2. And then I get my hand underneath, and then I can transfer my pasty to the baking tray. And then I'm going to put it in the oven next for 15 minutes. So open it and then put it in. Alexa, set a timer for 15 minutes.
15 minutes, starting now.
Right, it's been 20 minutes. 15 minutes wasn't quite enough. And it's ready. Oh, look at that. Oh, I'm so excited to try it. It looks really good.
You can hear it.
Oh, can you hear it sizzling?
Yeah.
Oh, it looks so good.
You can have one in 20 minutes.